Hello everyone and welcome to this video in which I'm going to restore the Nokia 2600. You can see it's sorry condition. The phone works just fine, just bad condition. Let's begin. This should be one of those easy phones. Theoretically, warranty seal. Interesting. And it was broken, just like my life. Oh! Go. Oh, a metal cover on the back, eh? Is it detachable? Yes, it is. Hoo-hoo. This is rubber. Nice. Wonder how the display it's here. Oh, it has a connector. Nice. Here's the main board. Here is the display, which is in perfect, well, perfect dirty condition. These two things. The earpiece, it's right here. Oh, it has a position in which to be mounted. Okay, time to take the loudspeaker out of here. And the connectors, here it is. It just flew off. Whew, come on, dude. Unbelievable. I have to cut this open. So stuck in here. All right. Finally, it's out. The microphone. So annoying. I got stabbed by a Nokia. Interesting. Okay, this is the antenna, I'm guessing. Oh, and here is the loudspeaker. It's sticked here. Oh, yeah. Well, that was the resonator box. And the loudspeaker. Okay, here are the parts that I will clean. First of all, I want to check the new body shell. Well, the new body shell has the speaker here and the SIM card door, which is good. I'll just clean these parts, keeping this away, and be right back with you. Well, done it. Now it's time to reassemble it. Let's begin. Just get rid of one worry. Now the annoying microphone. Come on, get in there. At least want to get in. Good. Good. Okay then. Well, the keyboard isn't the most pristine one that they have, but I don't have another, so that will remain. I found this in a phone, so this must be good for something. There we go. Now where's that battery? Here it is. Nice. It's also in my native language, so yeah. I'll show the warranty at the ending because I will have to turn it off then. And yeah. Oh, wait. 180 hours. Not bad. And now I have to turn it off because stuck. Yeah, so this was the refurbished video of the Nokia 2600. Hope you enjoyed it, found it useful. Now you know what's inside it. It's an easy phone to disassemble and put back together. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Like always, you are awesome, and I wish you a very awesome day. Bye bye.